Hello everyone and welcome back to another Wondershare Recoverit video. Today I'm going to teach you how to quickly restore corrupted PowerPoint files. It's no secret that Microsoft PowerPoint has increased in popularity amongst users like students, teachers and staff due to its efficiency in presentations and organisation. However, PowerPoint files can unfortunately get corrupted or even damaged. And there are several reasons why your PowerPoint file may become corrupt. Some typical causes of corruption include improper system shutdown, malware infection, the development of bad sectors on your computer's storage media, problems with your Microsoft PowerPoint application, or the generation of a bigger PPT file. If any of your crucial PowerPoint files get corrupted, don't worry, there is no need to panic since corrupt PowerPoint files may be simply repaired using various repair solutions. But before I get into the depths of today's subject, please give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you are notified when I release new videos like this one. Only a select few of internet repair programs can truly restore the data that was deleted from a corrupted presentation. We suggest that you make use of Wondershare Repairit's File Repair. In the event that you are still unable to fix the damaged PowerPoint presentation with the web resources that are available. Repairit can assist you in easily fixing faulty PowerPoint presentations, regardless of whether you are using an older version of the Microsoft Office suite or the most recent version of Microsoft PowerPoint. You may also utilize the application to repair badly damaged PPT files, which is something that internet tools won't be able to do for you. One of the most significant advantages of making use of Wondershare Repairit is that it restores any data that was accidentally deleted from your presentation too. And so regardless of whether you lost individual media files or the full presentation slides, Wondershare Repairit will be able to retrieve them and restore the PowerPoint presentation as a whole. So, are you prepared to learn how to use Wondershare Repairit to repair a PowerPoint file that has been corrupted? If your answer is yes, then you need to carry out the next easy steps that I'm going to provide you. The first step is to download and run the Wondershare Repairit program on your PC or laptop. Then select File Repair and add from the drop-down menus to upload the damaged PPT files. Due to the fact that the program allows batch processing, you're also able to import several PowerPoint presentations all at once. Then click the Repair button once you have confirmed that the files have been successfully inserted. The utility will immediately begin the process of finding problems with the file and will also start the process of fixing the problems automatically. Once the procedure has been finished, a preview of the corrupted PowerPoint presentation will be displayed on the screen for you to examine. View the file in its preview and then store it in any location that you choose. Using Wondershare Repairit in this manner will make simple work of restoring or repairing various PowerPoint presentations. Sometimes people would like to seek an online solution directly. We also provide 3 great online tools to fix PowerPoint issues. But it is important to keep in mind that although internet repair tools provide their services at no cost, they do have some restrictions attached to them. For instance, employing free internet repair solutions will not be able to fix PowerPoint files that have been seriously damaged. These web applications lack the well-designed APIs capable of addressing more complex problems. Online File Repair is a free online program for repairing a wide range of faulty files. And when I say a vast selection, I really mean it. Online File Repair supports a variety of MS Office file types, including DOC, PPT and XLS. In reality, Online File Repair may be used to repair damaged Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator files. Its web API is particularly developed to detect and repair the corrupted file issue automatically. Customers have given the application hundreds of favourable ratings, making it one of the top free web tools for repairing PowerPoint files. So now let me quickly show you the step-by-step process of repairing a PowerPoint file online utilising Online File Repair. First of all, open any web browser and navigate to the following web address: onlinefile.repair/PowerPoint. Then tap the Select File button and go to the faulty PowerPoint file in File Explorer. To go to the next step, enter your email address and then click Next. Online File Repair will then initiate the fixing procedure immediately, but be patient as this procedure may take a few minutes. Once the file has been properly fixed, just click the Download button and navigate to the location where you wish to store the corrected file. If you're using Microsoft Office 2007 or later, PPTX Repair is the program you need to repair your faulty PowerPoint presentation. It's an online repair tool designed exclusively for repairing PowerPoint presentations, saved in the PPTX format. Because the tool is limited to a single file type, it has a greater success rate than the prior two web applications. PPTX Repair is also accessible as a desktop program, making it an excellent solution for those who frequently encounter faulty PPTX files on their desktop. In this case, just download the entire PPTX Repair kit and repair as many PPTX files as you desire. Also, you can use the Repair kit to restore different data files, ranging from Adobe Photoshop files to Excel worksheets. Simply now follow the steps that I'm about to show you to employ PPTX Repair to repair a corrupted PowerPoint file. The first step is to open your browser once again and navigate to the following address: www.pptx.repair/#. Then select the PowerPoint presentation that you want to fix by clicking Select File tab. Then you'll need to enter your email address and the CAPTCHA in the designated text boxes once more. Then click on the Next Step button. PPTX Repair will then begin fixing the corrupted PPTX file on the following screen. It will just take a few seconds to finish this. When the process is finished, save the restored PPTX presentation to your computer and use it. Another web software that may fix PowerPoint files is Recovery Toolbox, which is available online. Recovery Toolbox, like the program that came before it, is a comprehensive package that enables you to repair a wide variety of data files, including RAW files, PowerPoint presentations, Word documents and Excel sheets, amongst others. On the other hand, Online File Repair does not handle as many file formats as Recovery Toolbox does, which is what sets it apart. You may use the application, for instance, to restore faulty SQL Server files, as well as the more usual RAW files. Users who often work with a variety of file formats will like the fact that they do not need to hunt for multiple solutions to repair the various file types, since this application can handle them all. As a result, this utility is a highly beneficial resource for users. I will now walk you through some easy procedures you may follow to restore a damaged PowerPoint file online and for free by using Recovery Toolbox. To begin, open any web browser of your choice and navigate to the following: powerpoint.recoverytoolbox.com/online/#. After that, select the PowerPoint presentation or PowerPoint XML file that you wish to fix and then click the Select File button to upload it. Once more, input your email addresses in the text area that is specifically designated for it and then click Next. Recovery Toolbox will then instantly begin working to fix the corrupted file. In the final step, you will need to select the Download option to store the fixed PowerPoint file on your computer. Users may find themselves in a very frustrating situation if they are unable to open a PowerPoint file, especially when the time limit for submitting the presentation is drawing near. The good news, however, is that you can now fix files using the web tools discussed before. And in the event that neither of those online solutions work, you may still easily fix damaged PowerPoint, Word, Excel and PDF files by downloading and running the Wondershare Repairit program on your PC or laptop. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. But please do drop a comment in the comment section below to let me know which method you think will work best for when you are faced with a corrupted PowerPoint file. And of course, if you haven't yet, then please also subscribe to the channel. But until next time, thank you all for watching and I look forward to seeing you all very soon in my next video.